If you want to download AutoCAD for Android, this step-by-step guide will show you the safest and easiest way to get the official app on your phone or tablet. We'll be using the official Autodesk app from the Google Play Store, so you can avoid fake apps and make sure you're downloading the correct version. This is a quick process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to install AutoCAD, open it, and sign in properly. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type AutoCAD. As the results appear, look carefully for the official app listed as AutoCAD-DWG Viewer and Editor by Autodesk. This is the version you want because Autodesk is the official developer. After you find it, tap on the app to open the app page. On the app page, check the name, the developer, and the app details to make sure everything looks correct. Then tap the green Install button. Your Android device will now begin downloading the app. Depending on your internet connection and device speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download finishes, the installation will complete automatically. After that, tap Open to launch AutoCAD on your Android device. When the app opens for the first time, you may be asked to sign in with your Autodesk ID. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. If you do not have an Autodesk account yet, tap Create Account and follow the steps to make one. This is required if you want to use the app's features properly. After signing in, you should now be inside the AutoCAD mobile app and ready to start viewing or editing your DWG files. You can use it to work with designs, open drawings, and access your files from your Android device wherever you are. If you don't see the app right away in Play Store, make sure your device is connected to the internet and that you type the app name correctly. Also, always choose the official Autodesk listing to stay safe. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded AutoCAD for Android using the official method. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.